This powerful South Asian hair oil recipe has been cherished for generations, promising to regrow hair in just 7 days. It combines ancient wisdom with modern needs, making it an essential remedy for Desi expats in the USA. As she gently massages the oil into her scalp, the rich blend of natural ingredients begins to nourish and stimulate hair follicles, revitalizing her hair from the roots. The preparation involves heating the oil just right, ensuring that the therapeutic properties of each ingredient are fully extracted, creating a potent formula for hair restoration. After a week of consistent use, she holds the bottle, hopeful and eager to see the remarkable results of her dedication to this age-old formula. With newfound confidence, she embraces her radiant hair, enjoying moments with friends who can't help but notice her stunning transformation. Excited to share her journey, she explains how each ingredient contributes to hair health, emphasizing the cultural significance behind this cherished recipe. Embracing self-care, she incorporates this oil into her daily routine, finding not just hair restoration, but a moment of peace in her busy life.